democracy of India. Children, the Indian government, central government தனியாக பிரிச்சிருக்கு, ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட் தனியாக பிரிச்சிருக்கு. சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட்னா லெஜிஸ்லேட்டிவ், எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ், ஜட்ஜஸ்டரி. அப்புறம் லெஜிஸ்லேட்டர்னா பார்லிமெண்ட்னா லோக்சபா அண்ட் ராஜ்யசபா. இதே எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ்னா பிரசிடெண்ட், கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ், அதில் மிடில் தான் பிரைம் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ். ஜட்ஜஸ்டரினா சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட்டு. இதே ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட்னா லெஜிஸ்டரினா ஸ்டேட் லெஜிஸ்லேட்டிவ் அசம்பிளின்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது. எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ்னா கவர்னர், சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர், கவுன்சில் ஆஃப் மினிஸ்டர்ஸ். இதே ஜட்ஜஸ்டரினா ஹை கோர்ட்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. India, a democracy. A government is a group of people who are responsible for making laws and taking care of the affairs related to the governance of the country. There are many types of governments in the world today. India has a democratic form of government. Let us read about some special features of democracy that have made it the most popular form of government in the world. Electனா to, இது வந்து மீனிங்ஸோடு சொல்கிறேன். எலெக்ட் மட்டுமேனா to choose someone by voting. Electionna an occasion when people vote for someone to represent them, especially in a government. Right of the people to elect their leaders. Democracy is a system of government which people are powerful. They elect தான் இப்போ மீனிங் சொன்னால் their leaders who make decisions of their behalf. They elect the leader of choice by voting him or her at the time of election. election இது இப்போ நான் வந்து எலெக்ட்டுக்கும் எலெக்ஷனு மீனிங் சொல்ல அதோட வேர்ட்ஸ் தான் அது. If a government does not perform its duties accurately, people can remove it from power by voting for it. All citizens of India who are above the age of 18 have the right to vote. The United States of America is one of the largest democracies in the world. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States of America, defined democracy as a government of the people, by the people and for the people. என்னன்னா a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Right of the people to express their views on the government's policies are very important right enjoyed by the government. By the people in a democracy allowed them to express their feelings without fear. That is, they have the freedom of speech and expression. Citizenship is necessary to keep a government in check. It helps a government to work better. People participating in the progress of governance by the keeping a watch on functioning of the government. They express their displeasure by staining ladies, taking out promotion and shutting down the shops and other businesses in a city or a state. Equality and justice. A key feature of democracy is that it is committed to equality and justice. In a democracy, all peoples are considered equal. The value of each vote is counted as one. Additional laws in a democracy must be fair to the people of country. All the features discussed above are followed by democratic government of India. Let us find out more about how the India government works. Criticism meaning state a statement that show that you think something is wrong or bad. Governance means the progress of governing a country or an organism. Branches of government. The India government works throughout three branches: legislative, executive, and judiciary. The legislature makes the laws. Once the law are passed, the executive ensure that these are followed by all. If somebody breaks any law or if people feel the law is not fair, people can go to judiciary to seek justice. Branches அதான் சொன்னேன். Legislative makes law, executive enforce laws, judiciary gives justice. Levels of governments. You have read the India as a vast country and it is not possible to rule the entire country from a single center of power. Therefore, the three levels of government: the central government with its center at New Delhi, the state government with its respective capitals as seats of governments, and local self-governments. You have studied local self-governments முன்னாடி பார்த்திருப்போம். In this chapter, let us take a look of other two levels of governments, both central government and state government. Works the help three branches of government discussed above. Central government. The central or union government rules over the whole country. It is located in New Delhi. It makes laws for the entire country and makes sure that these laws are followed by all. Legislature of a union. The parliament. Parliament is the law-making body of the central government, so it is a legislature of the central level. The parliament in India is called a Sanssad. It consists of two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The members of the both houses are known as members of parliament or MPs. Members of parliament short form MPs. They are elected by all the adult citizens of our country. The Lok Sabha is also known as the lower house of the parliament. It can have a maximum of 552 members. The members of Lok Sabha elect the speaker who guides the proceeding of house. The Rajya Sabha is also known as upper house of the parliament. The Rajya Sabha has a maximum of 250 members. The Vice President of India is the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. The Union Executive. The Union Executive makes sure the laws made the Parliament followed by the people. It comprises the President, the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The President is assigned by the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The Council of group of people chosen by the Prime Minister. They are in charge of different departments of the government. For example, the Railway Minister is responsible for the proper working on the railway in our country. Next part 2 ஒன்று வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ வந்து இந்த யூனியன் ஜுடிஷியரி அப்புறம் மீதி இருக்கிற பற்றியெல்லாம் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட்ஸ் அப்புறம் கவர்மெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி ஃபார்ம் ஆச்சு இந்தியாவில், அப்புறம் பொலிட்டிக்கல் பார்ட்டிஸ், அப்புறம் எலெக்ஷன்ஸ் இன் இந்தியா, அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கிறதுலாம் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் மறக்காமல் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுறேங்க. தேங்க்யூ. இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பார்க்கணுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலாம். இப்போ இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ வந்து இன்றைக்கி இல்லை நாளைக்கு. தேங்க்யூ.